This lowers the risk of excessive bleeding and postpartum complications, making recovery smoother and healthier. Mothers who breastfeed often report faster healing compared to those who do not. Breastfeeding even contributes to longevity because it reduces risks of cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Mothers who breastfeed are statistically more likely to live longer and healthier lives. These benefits add up over time, making breastfeeding a natural investment in lifelong wellness. Ultimately, breastfeeding is much more than feeding a baby. It is a holistic health practice that protects mothers from a wide range of illnesses, from cancer prevention to mental health support, from bone strength to heart protection. Its benefits extend across every aspect of a woman's health. By choosing to breastfeed, mothers not only give their babies the strongest foundation for growth, but also secure a healthier, stronger, and longer life for themselves.